Hi there, I'm Amit, founder of TeamTrace. I wanted to thank you for signing up, and I wanted to talk about TeamTrace does and what it's capable of. The next couple of minutes, I'll give you a tour of how to get started and use TeamTrace to its fullest potential. TeamTrace is a new paradigm in work and workforce management. With TeamTrace, you can manage your projects, to-do lists, monitor who is working on what in real time without having to ping them on Slack or Teams. Project managers can view in real time who is working on which ticket without having to ask or follow up with the team members. Before you start adding team members, talk about few important things. So the first thing is groups. You can create groups on platform and assign people to those groups. The next thing is roles. You can create custom roles on the platform and you can assign team members those custom roles. And finally, you can create custom job titles or designations and assign those job titles to your team members. We have created some predefined teams, roles, and job titles for you. Feel free to go ahead and modify them or add new ones when adding team members. After your team members have signed up, the next thing they need to do is download the desktop app and the mobile app and log into them.